Hi writers, and welcome to English V01B, Critical Thinking Through Literature. My name is Jacqueline Walker, Professor Walker, and I am your adventurous guide through our course this semester. Our class is 8 weeks long, fully online on Canvas, and I'm just going to show you a few features to help you feel a little bit more confident with navigating where you're going. You can start right here. If you go ahead and click on the Start Here button, you will be redirected to our Porch Talk, Keep It Real discussion. You can come here if you have any questions, concerns, comments, or if you just want to talk about any content from the course, this is the place to do it. If it's personal in nature and you just want to talk one-on-one, feel free to email me. You can email me through Canvas. There's an email feature here on this side with the inbox. And you can also just email me through the MyVCCCD website as well. If you're logged into your portal, anytime you want to go back to the home page, you just click Home. I'm not sure how familiar or comfortable you are with Canvas, but just be calm and patient with yourself as you learn to navigate through all the modules and spaces. There's lots of links that will bring you to other links, and so you can just follow those along. You can check out our syllabus here, right here under Syllabus and Instructor Contact. And then again, if you want to be redirected or if you have a question, you can go to Porch Talk as well. I'm going to click on the syllabus just to show you a few key features. As you probably already know, going over the syllabus is a really great way to kind of understand our class community and to see what the expectation is, and also to figure out what it is that you'll be learning for the semester. I mentioned before it's 8 weeks, so it goes by in a snap. We've divided it into 4 units to make it a little bit easier to navigate. Let me just open this up for you. I want you to check out my office hours so you know if you want to get feedback or if you have a question about anything that's that you're really wanting to talk one-on-one. I do have office hours listed here, but I'm also available at other times. Here is my cell phone if you want to shoot me a quick text. Our 4 units this semester are short story, poetry, drama, and then we have philosophical fiction. The required texts are Fences by August Wilson and The Myth of Sisyphus by Albert Camus. Both of these are available free on our Canvas shell, and you can probably find them if you just Googled them as well. But if you're really wanting to interact with the text, annotate, and write in your book, I would highly recommend that you check these out from the bookstore. They're probably each $10 to $15, so it's very reasonable, especially if you're wanting to become a stronger reader and writer. Then you're going to want to buy these so you feel good about writing in your book. Here are our course learning outcomes, applying critical thinking skills to analyze literary works and writing. And you may or may not know you've been critical thinking your whole entire life. It started when you were able to ask questions at 3 or 4 years old. And so that's really kind of the method that we're following this semester, is asking questions of the ideas and stories that we encounter in the literature, and then also bringing that inward to ourselves and asking, how does this relate to me? How does Fences and the struggles of the character relate to myself? And so we do that quite naturally as well. I would go ahead and take a minute to skim over the grading and the requirements for this semester. You will need to have a journal log so that you can flesh out some ideas. Every unit you'll turn in your journal logs, so you get lots of practice writing and reading, pulling some golden lines or quotes from the readings, and you'll also have a quiz in each area, in each category. So quizzes are not meant to trick you, they're meant to help you go over the concepts and material for that unit. With short story, it'll be concepts like protagonist, setting, tone, symbol, and some of the concepts of the literary concepts will carry through to different units as well. But again, you've studied this your whole life. We're just delving in a little bit deeper with this Critical Thinking Through Lit course, and you can check out the grading and all that stuff if you have any questions. Again, feel free to hop on the discussion and ask away. Also, one last thing about the syllabus is make sure that if you need an accommodation or if there's a need that you have, VC is here to offer you support, whether it's a food pantry that we have on campus, whether it's counseling, mental health counseling, or academic counseling. We have a lot of programs and services to give you the support that you might need to be successful and to thrive. So that's the quick and dirty of the syllabus. Again, I'm just going back to the home page. Our first unit is going to start here with short story. weeks 1 and 2. The dates are located and there's links for every single one of these. And you'll just navigate through to poetry, drama, and myth. And then the last thing is one of our requirements is tutoring this semester. So here is the link to understand how that works. Tutoring at VC is free. You will need to log in and create an account. You don't create an account, you just click on the link here and you will add it to your courses. It's called IDS 100, and the requirement for this course is that you work with a tutor one time, just once over the 8 weeks, and get some feedback on your writing. It can be any of the assignments. If you just scroll through our modules here, you'll see all the dates that are listed for everything. You're welcome to jump ahead if you'd like. And one last thing, make sure, I did mention the journal already, but I just want to clarify that you'll have 2 journals. You'll have a digital journal that you'll submit, 4 points each unit, and then you'll also have your own paper composition journal. I always just use a regular composition journal, like old school style, like one of these. You can decorate it if you want. But this is just where you're going to jump in and take notes. I'll just cluster or make a drawing or whatever. For you, you might be writing down a golden line or something that stood out to you from the reading. This will help you later on when you're submitting your digital journal. You can go ahead and just look at your notes. I do a lot of brainstorming in my journal. So again, you'll have 2 journals. One's for notes and just fleshing out ideas. The other one is more formal, and you will submit that online. I hope I covered everything. Don't forget, if there's any questions or concerns, you can go ahead and post them here on Porch Talk. Have a wonderful day. I look forward to seeing you and meeting you online. Take good care.